Hello again. And now, finally, we are going to speak about augmented classroom. Augmented classroom is a term that we have invented. What do we understand for augmented classroom? Well, augmented classroom, we could say, is an expanded classroom due to technology. Is when the classroom works with the media or mediate with technology and make use of video, image, photography, audio, or any technology that help the classroom, help the learning to make more intensive, more bigger, and overall can be heard, can be received for a bigger audience. So this is the first image where we can see two students that are singing at the same time. They are singing in one video that comes from YouTube. There are two lectures at the same time. The first augmented we can find in the newspaper. In this situation, that was in the principal newspaper in Spain, the students were celebrating a party, a Christmas party, that was an exercise in the class, and all of them designed some net with lighting on their body in order to move the Christmas holidays where they walk in the city. Also in the radio, we have created, thanks to a research project, a radio in the school where we are teachers. It is called RACA, and these are the students that are speaking to other students and to a general audience about their interests, and also imparting some lectures. In the TV program, in one occasion, these students slept one night in the outdoors, and afterwards, in the morning, they were interviewed by the TV channel. Also, we have been augmented in private surveillance camera. This occasion, in one very important museum, the CaixaForum in Madrid, we were making an action with the students that were collected and registered by the cameras. But also in public surveillance cameras. Here, possibly you have recognized the Puerta del Sol in Madrid since 2012. There are a lot of cameras controlling the traffic and the citizens' traffic, no cars traffic. And then our students were there, I don't know if you can see it, designing some letters. They were registered by these cameras, and afterward we asked to the government to give our images. This one, openurban.television.com, and this one in Plaza de España. And Instagram, of course, the abilities are shown in Instagram and are shared with all the community. In the digital art gallery, in this situation it was very enjoyable. The artist Daniel Canugar, the famous photographer, asked our students, and you can see properly, I am in the center of the image, to make a montage, to make a piece of art, some way making a critical position about the use of the oceans and the dust and the consume and something like this. It was again an exercise, and we were there. In YouTube, of course, YouTube is very used, and each week I think we put in YouTube 5 or 6 pieces of work of our classroom. And do you remember the action for the bathroom in the school? Well, this action that we have shown in the physical space is now in blogs like this, with the name Yo lo veo, that in English means I see it. It is also, all these people have signed this action. It is also in Facebook, yo lo veo again. And of course, as we have said, it is in YouTube, but I think this image it doesn't concern with this subject. Well, in YouTube, we have several movies or photographs. When we finish this lesson, we are going to give you some reference and some links, and you can find them. And of course, in MOOCs, we have been 10 years making MOOCs, making MOOCs like this one Woman Minute, Woman Landscape in Madrid, or this one, or another one. Well, if you want to consult them, you can access to them in the links we are going to show you. Thank you very much.